Bring festive magic to your holiday decor with PLT's stunning pre-lit Christmas topiary trees. These beautifully crafted trees feature vibrant PE and PVC branches adorned with color-changing RGB with warm white LED mini lights, offering up to 50 dazzling color combinations. Available in 2.5 and 3 foot heights, these topiaries are weather-resistant and UV treated for both indoor and outdoor use. The LED lights can be effortlessly controlled with the included remote control and push button built into the driver box, featuring modes such as steady on, fade, flash, and seasonal presets like Halloween and Christmas. Each tree comes with 2 versatile installation options, a garden stake or a stand. The stake can secure the topiaries directly in the ground or in a pot with or without soil. For floor display, use the stand. Use these festive topiaries on porches, patios, entryways, living spaces, and more. For these and other high-quality Christmas products, call 855-948-5079 to speak with one of our holiday lighting experts or visit us at 1000bulbs.com.